Automation and artificial intelligence are revolutionizing the mold manufacturing process. Robots, AI-driven systems, and advanced sensors are improving precision, efficiency, and reducing human errors. Now, there is 3D printing, which is becoming more prevalent in mold making, allowing for rapid prototyping, complex designs, and reduced material wastage, while cutting down lead times. With the integration of Industry 4.0, these technologies is enhancing communication between machines, enabling predictive maintenance and real-time data monitoring for optimizing production. Sustainable manufacturing, like the focus on eco-friendly practices such as reducing carbon footprints and using recyclable materials, is pushing manufacturers to adopt greener processes. Use of advanced materials such as high-performance materials like composites and alloys are being used to extend mold life, increase durability, and improve the quality of the finished products.